Hi everyone. This is my third progress report for Group 1, new to UH. Since we completed our individual assignments over the weekend, we each saved and sent our individual AIA files to John. There are 3 parts to be merged. Mine, which is the do's and majors, Shauna's, food and gem, and John, the about page, warrior checklist, menu, and home screen. So John is so awesome because he leads the merging portion of the work and has done his magic to make sure that each page is consistent with the overall theme and design of the app. We do communicate pretty regularly with each other, especially checking in on Sundays via email and mainly via text messaging. A couple of the challenges are that neither John nor Shauna have access to a Windows computer to use Merger to build the final product or prototype. And 2, neither John, Shauna, or I have Android phones to conduct our field evaluation. So for challenge number 1, we decided to get together on Tuesday in my office to use my office Windows computer. Here are some photos of our meeting in my office. We discovered that the MIT app merger was a lot easier than anticipated, and one of the tips learned was that you don't assume that when you select to merge the screens that all screens will be selected. Instead, you must select each screen individually to make sure the merge occurs properly. And we kind of learned the hard way and had to redo the merger of my part. Another issue we encountered was merging Shauna's part and trying to incorporate her main menus to reflect back to the main menu. John needed to do some tweaking to fix that. Actually, Shauna went ahead and fixed it and then sent John her updated file, and John was able to get that uploaded and coded just right. The other issue that we had was that we didn't have Android phones. So we decided to inquire with family and friends to see if we could find people that own Android phones to conduct their field evaluation. Thankfully, one of the students that I conducted a usability study with owns an Android and is actually willing to let me use her phone and do testing on another faculty member on the same day. My sister also owns an Android and I'll be utilizing her for the testing as well. I think it'll be great to have the field testing conducted by people in my usability study, since they already have some prior knowledge of the app and will be able to see the project from beginning to end. Shauna is able to use her brother's Android and John will be using testing computer. The next part, which will be covered in report 4, will be field evaluation. So between now and then, we will be writing the script for the field evaluations, testing the app on the Android phone, and planning for the promotion video and Shark Tank presentation. We already started talking about ideas and we'll be doing some videotaping for it shortly. So it's starting to get very exciting. Voila! I wanted to introduce to you our I'm New to UH app. This is part 1 of the merge, and we have a couple of updates, a couple of tweaks, and then we'll be finalizing that and getting it ready before we do our field evaluation. And we hope to conduct the field evaluations next week, Monday at the very earliest. Here are the different screens that we have merged, and here it is on the Jetty Motion emulator, and I wanted to show you how it works, and I think it's so beautiful. Again, how John did his magic to make everything look very consistent. You click on the I'm New to UH and it brings up the main menu, the various different areas that you can go into. And so let's go ahead and click on the warrior checklist, and then that takes you into step by step what you need to do. If you're a new student, you have the ability to go back, or you can go to the home screen, right? And then let me show you one of the pages that I did, which is the UH News. And that will actually link you to a web page. I think that might be something that we have to work on. Let's try my majors. Uh-oh. I think what we have to do is try to tweak that and see how we can get that to work. So it looks like none of the pages are opening up just yet. So got to go back to the drawing board and double check and see what's going on with this. It was working earlier and there could possibly be some lag to it, but I'll do more investigating. That's it for now. Till the next update. Signing out.